Honeybees pollination. Almost 90% of wild plants and 75% of leading global crops depend on animal pollination. When a bee lands on a flower, the hairs all over the bee's body attract pollen grains through electrostatic forces. Individual bees tend to focus on one kind of a flower at a time. It is more likely that pollens from one flower will be transferred to another flower of the same species by a particular bee. Scientists have discovered that bumblebees have the ability to use their smelly footprints to recognize their own scent. This means they can improve their success in finding food and avoid flowers that have already been visited. Most bees dig nests in soil, utilize plant stems or wood, or nest in the galleries made by beetles in the trees. Apiculture. Beekeeping or apiculture is the process of maintaining of bee colonies or hives so that honey or other commercial products can be harvested from them. Honey and other products of bee farm like bee wax, royal jelly, bee venom are of commercial value. Queen is the fertile female of the bee colony. Her main role is to lay eggs for her hive. Drone bees are the males of the hive and are responsible for mating with queen. Worker bees are the most numerous nectar-collecting female members of the hive. Waggle dance. Honeybees have a dance move called the waggle dance. It's a clever way of communicating between themselves to tell their nestmates where to go to find the best source of food. The honeybee is the most scientifically studied creatures in the world after humans. Stay tuned for more knowledge hats. Thank you.